Right now, while you're watching this video, an AI agent may already be training to replace someone's job. And by 2027, it may replace yours. Not in 10 years, not someday in the future, next year. Companies are no longer asking, can AI work? They're asking, how many humans can we remove? Most people still think AI is just chatbots, but AI agents are different. They don't just answer questions. They think, plan, execute. They can send emails, schedule meetings, write code, edit videos, talk to customers, and they do it 24 hours a day, with no salary, no sleep, no breaks. And for companies, that sounds like a dream. But for millions of workers, it sounds like a warning. Customer support jobs are already being replaced. Some AI agents can now talk almost exactly like humans, and customers don't even realize it. Content creators, editors, writers, even programmers. AI agents are learning all of these skills faster than experts expected. One AI system can sometimes do the work of 10 employees. And businesses care about one thing most: profit. But here's the scary part. AI may soon start hiring humans. Yes, some companies are already testing AI managers. Imagine getting fired by a machine. Sounds weird, right? History has seen this before. The internet replaced stores. Streaming replaced DVDs. Smartphones replaced cameras. And now, AI agents may replace digital workers. The question is no longer, will AI replace jobs? The real question is, how many? But not everyone will lose. The smartest people in 2027 won't fight AI. They'll use it. People who learn AI tools, build businesses with AI, create content using AI. They may become more powerful than entire companies. One person ignores AI, the other masters it. Two completely different futures, and this is only the beginning, because the next generation of AI agents may not just replace workers, they may replace entire companies. And when that happens, the world will never look the same again. If you want to survive the AI revolution, subscribe now, because the future is arriving faster than anyone expected.